everyone. Gagajoy's kitchen. Today we're going to be making something real cute. It's ramen noodle salad. Now I know you're going to say ramen noodles, no, but it's been around for years, and I'm telling you, every time I go to church and they have it on the serving table, it goes quickly. It's that good. And it does really, it's inexpensive, well, of course, if you got ramen noodles. And you take, it's slivered almonds and another little assortment of nuts like maybe pumpkin nuts or sunflower nuts, red peppers, onions, mostly green onions if you have green onions, olive oil, a little vinegar, and sugar mix. Now, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to toast the almonds and the sunflower mix. I've had that sunflower mix since before Christmas, so it was time to use it anyway. Sometimes it's good to keep a few things that you mean to get rid of. Okay. Now we'll let these sort of toast a little bit. Maybe, I'm going to turn it down a little bit, maybe for about 4 minutes. In the meantime, we'll add our onions. Now I've got green and white onions because I didn't have quite enough green onions, but there was quite a bit in there. And I'm going to mix the half a cup of olive oil with a fourth of a cup of sugar and a third of a cup of vinegar. I don't know how I remember that, but I did. We're going to put these on it too. Red pepper. That just makes it beautiful. Beautiful color. Let's get our ramen noodles going. Not a ramen noodles, but a nuts. This actually makes quite a bit. The thing about this is it really does do better the next day than the first day. It needs to set up a little while because that's when it really turns good. Now, to this vinegar, sugar, and olive oil mix, you add 2 packages of the ramen noodle flavoring. You know the one I'm talking about? This is chicken flavor. I got to use the chicken flavor one. Okay, here we go. And of course it popped right off on me. I'm glad I have spot remover because I'm the one who really needs spot remover. If you haven't tried this, I do hope you'll try it because it truly is worth a try. I hope you've run into it before at church or something because this will be one of your regular things. It's been mine for, gosh, I don't know, it's been about a good 10 years. It's the first time I ever ate it. A friend of mine made it. And then I saw it at the church and I thought, well, it's time that I tried it. So, it's what it is. Okay. I think our almonds are good. They look toasty. So we're going to put those in there. And now I'm going to put our mixture over it. I guess it's right. Okay, now let's mix it up. Here's the thing about it. You don't put your ramen noodles in it till this sets up for a while because your ramen noodles will get soft, and that's the part of this that's the best, is the crunchiness from the ramen noodles. So you can eat it, but it just is better the next day. That's all I can tell you. Oh, that vinegar and sugar and olive oil is knocks your socks off. And look how pretty it is. And of course, as it sets, it goes down. It's not near this much in the morning. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a wrap over this, and in the morning I'll come back and show you what it's like with the noodles. And in the meantime, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'll see you in the morning. Hi, well, we're back, and I was going to show you the ramen noodles from yesterday and put our the ramen noodle salad and put our noodles in it. Now you see, it actually goes down, sort of wilts a little bit, which is good. That means it's getting all the good flavorings in it. Because it's one of the prettiest salads you're ever going to make. Now these are the ramen noodles I took the packages out of, and so they go in. Just another thing for ramen noodles to do. Well, honestly, it is such a good crunch, and most people don't even know what they're eating. Of course, if you've ever had them before, you do. A little bit hard to do, or I'm a little bit weak. I think what I'm going to do, though, I'm going to put one package of ramen noodles in it to if we eat it to snack today, and then I know there'll be some for tomorrow. I'll put a second pack in tomorrow. That makes more sense, because it's that crunch that just makes this salad so good. Okay, I think we're good. I'm definitely going to save a pack, because you can see it's pretty. It's got quite a bit in it, so that'll come in good tonight. I'm going to taste it. This early in the morning, it sort of gets to you some if you eat too much. Well, I might have it for breakfast after all. No, it's good. At least we'll have it. I'm saving one package for the second eating. I do hope you try this. This is truly one of the things that I would recommend over a whole lot of salads. Anyway, have a good day. We've had a good 2 days here. Remember the joy of people that are hurting. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon.